Have you ever been in a situation where the tax authority demands a heavy tax payment, even though you believe you have paid diligently? What do you do in such a situation? First thing first, how do you even know if you are paying the right taxes? Well, that's why you need to conduct a tax health check. In this video, we will explain what a tax health check is, why it is important, and how you can prepare for the check. So stay tuned. Hi, my name is Olatunji Abdulrazak. I am the founder and CEO of taxmobile.online. Welcome to my YouTube channel, A Stitch in Tax Saves Cash. This channel is dedicated to helping you stay on top of your taxes. We will provide you with tips and strategies to help you keep more money in your pockets and minimize your tax liability while you stay in compliance with tax laws. So, if you want to start taking control of your finances from today, hit the subscribe button below and click the notification bells to stay updated on our latest videos. Let's kick things off with the basics. What is tax health check? A tax health check is a comprehensive review and analysis of an organization's tax compliance, processes, and strategies. The aim of the assessment is to identify potential tax risk, inefficiencies, and opportunities for improvement. The primary purpose of a tax health check is to ensure that an organization's tax affairs are in order, compliant with the relevant tax laws and regulations, and optimized to minimize tax liabilities while maximizing tax benefits. Simply put, tax health check is like a health checkup for your organization taxes, which ensures that everything is in the best shape. Now, why does your organization need tax health assessment? Conducting a tax health assessment is crucial for several reasons, such as compliance assurance. A tax health assessment ensures the organization follows tax laws, rules, and reporting requirements. Since tax rule changes a lot and differ by location, staying fully compliant is tough. By comprehensively reviewing the organization tax compliance, potential compliance gaps can be identified and addressed. This proactive approach helps avoid costly penalties, interest, and legal consequences associated with non-compliance. Risk mitigation. Tax authorities around the world are increasingly focused on addressing tax avoidance, aggressive tax planning, and transfer pricing issues. And this has resulted into more tax audits and investigations. As such, a tax health check helps organizations assess their exposure to potential tax risks, such as the interpretation of ambiguous tax laws, the application of transfer pricing policies, and the disclosure of uncertain tax positions. Addressing this risk early reduces the likelihood of disputes with tax authorities and the associated financial and reputational costs. Operational efficiency. Tax processes and systems within an organization often change over time due to changing business needs, acquisition, and organizational restructuring. This can introduce inefficiencies and redundancies, which can lead to unnecessary costs and delays. A tax health assessment critically evaluates the organization tax processes from data collection and analysis to reporting and payment. By identifying opportunities to streamline and automate these processes, the organization can realize significant efficiency gains, freeing up resources to focus on value-added activities. Tax savings and optimization. During a tax health check, organizations may discover opportunities for tax savings and optimization. This could involve leveraging available tax incentives, structuring transactions in a tax-efficient manner, or reevaluating the organization's international tax footprint. By optimizing the organization's tax position, the assessment contributes to bottom-line savings and improved cash flow, enhancing overall financial performance. Strategic decision making. A thorough check provides management with valuable insights, aiding in strategic decision making aligned with broader objectives. For example, understanding the tax implication of expanding into new markets or undertaking a merger or acquisition can influence the strategic decision of the organization and optimize the associated tax outcome. Stakeholder confidence. Investors, lenders, and business partners increasingly seek assurance that organizations manage tax risks and obligations effectively. Regular tax health assessments demonstrate commitment to sound tax practices and transparent reporting, boosting stakeholder confidence and fostering strong relationships. This positive impact can influence the organization's overall reputation and access to capital. In summary, regular assessments help safeguard their compliance, improve decision making, and show commitment to sound tax practices. Now, preparing for tax health check. The preparation process involves various steps to ensure that the organization is well prepared for tax audits, reviews, and compliance requirements. The key components involved in preparing are understanding the organization tax environment. It is crucial to have a comprehensive understanding of the organization tax environment to prepare effectively. This involves evaluating the current tax policies and regulations that apply to the organization and understanding the potential risks and opportunities within the tax landscape. Key areas to consider include corporate tax obligations, sales tax, payroll taxes, and any industry-specific taxes that may apply. Organizations should also consider the impact of any recent changes in tax laws or regulations that may affect their operations. A review of any previous tax filing and assessment to identify any historical issues or discrepancies. This will help in addressing potential outstanding tax liabilities or compliance issues before they become more significant problems during the tax health check process. Identifying key stakeholders involved in the process. The key stakeholders include individuals or departments responsible for tax planning, financial reporting, accounting, and compliance. It is essential to establish clear lines of communication and coordination between these stakeholders to ensure that the tax health check preparation is comprehensive and aligned with the organization's overall objectives. Also, external stakeholders such as tax advisors, legal counsel, and auditors should be identified and engaged in the preparation process. They can provide valuable insight and guidance in identifying potential areas of concern and developing strategies to address them proactively. Gathering relevant tax documents and financial records. This includes reviewing and organizing documents such as tax returns, financial statements, supporting schedules, transaction records, and any other documentation related to the organizational tax obligations. It is important to ensure that all documentation is up to date, accurate, and easily accessible for reviewing during the process. In addition to historical records, all current tax planning documents should also be gathered. This includes transfer pricing documentation, tax provision calculation, and tax planning strategies that may have been implemented. This approach can help demonstrate the organization's commitment to tax compliance and transparency during the check. In summary, preparing a tax health check requires a proactive and comprehensive approach to ensure that the organization is well equipped to address any potential tax-related issues that may arise. By understanding the tax environment, identifying key stakeholders, and gathering relevant documents and records, organizations can demonstrate a strong commitment to tax compliance and minimize the potential risk associated with tax health checks. There you have it. Join us in the next video as we discuss the assessment of tax compliance and evaluation of tax planning strategies. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more insightful content. Also remember to watch our previous videos.